We are back at it again, fixing up the Subaru Brat. Mont has the task of fixing up the rear of the truck to stop all the grinding noises. And for some reason, Elliot once again wants to try and make it shoot flames.
If it breaks, it breaks.
Things were going pretty well, until inevitably they got out of hand.
You're one of Elliot's great ideas, and he's not here.
What is going on here, man?
Right, I've got a moment. With no one here to intervene or get in the way, we can take a closer look at what's actually going on. So obviously this thing is absolutely rot to shit. First of all, the squeaking noise was most likely, as you can see, the drive shaft hitting this exhaust bracket, which was all moving. Monty has, I think, already sorted it. So yeah, that was what was making most of the squeaking noise. There's also this problem. This should be higher than that. The main problem is obviously it's so rot where all the chassis connects to the body. The entire truck is flexing in the middle, which is what's causing these to rub. This diff has already been welded by someone, possibly. I mean, that's a newer sticker, so it's possibly been done a bit more recently. And this drive shaft was completely knackered. So that's come out to make it a free-wheel drive, because who doesn't want a free-wheel drive? But yeah, things are a little bit dire for the poor Brat. And I think Elliot's plans today is to make this shoot flames. And no, not properly. I'm talking putting a switch on a coil and possibly blowing the engine up style. So this could be the last step for this Brat.
So that was where it's rubbing on this bracket up here, and amazingly it actually came undone and moved round.
Wow. Oh, essentially just rotated the...
Yeah, just moved the bracket round.
Oh yeah.
And you can give it a bit of a jiggle, and it's not going to hit it. Unless this little rubber bush breaks.
Or maybe the entire truck flexes enough that it...
And now,
try and wedge some metal.
Something in here, because if we look up in here, I don't know if you'll see that, Hayden, but the UJ is rubbing on there.
Oh my god.
And for you people at home, once again, as always,
not ideal, is it?
You're one of Elliot's great ideas, and he's not here.
Well, that's a good point. He's out. I don't know what he's doing. We're covering something.
Yeah. This is the solution.
Wedge some metal on it.
So if we put that down.
Oh no.
I'm gonna need another set of hands here, Hayden. For that.
Shit.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm trying not to hit you with it.
That's alright, put it on like that.
This is quite literally
Pushing a spanner in the works. That might actually clear it. I don't know if it will or not. It's not quite where I want it. I want to get in there, but I don't think I will. I'm actually getting showered in shit.
Oh wait, it's in there.
It's in there. Not very well, but it's in there.
Spanner is in the works.
Yes. It's not quite where I want it.
Well,
Yeah.
it's in there. Is it going to split in half above us?
Well, there is always that issue, Hayden.
There's always the chance. So, Elliot, you got some wire there.
Yeah.
What's the plan with that then?
Well, we did this with a Volvo and it was very successful. It was cool. And we only had one phone call of complaint. Maybe two. So, we're going to do it again.
So, cut the coil, hopefully make the Brat shoot flames
That's the idea, yeah.
out of there. Without the engine going
Bang.
bang.
That'd be fine. Might make a difference to the engine.
Be alright, won't it? Monty switched roles today. after doing all the other work.
What?
Oh dear, Monty has been put in charge again. How'd that happen?
Well, Elliot found the Jaffa cakes again. Oh.
That's
You know, so
making
put
it-
that on there, like that.
No, this has to go down here, onto this.
Yeah, that connector, put that purple one on there, that wire. And then put your spade, and then put a spade connector for that to there, so you can still kill the engine. So you can still, like, isolate it.
There used to be a nest.
I do like this choice of where the wire's running. So if you like scratch against a tree and it shorts this.
You blow coil and simple. Why don't you just stall it?
Oh.
You can't just poke it through there, or you can't just.
How did you do this, Monty? How did you strip this? I've just cut it.
Yes, because you're a moron.
Yeah, I am a moron.
So what? You've cut that now.
How does this circuit work? It goes there at the moment, and if you switch it, it goes to there. Is that right?
Yeah.
So that when you switch that, it comes out of there, and when you let go, it comes out of there.
Yeah.
And it feeds there. Okay.
Elliot,
Yes.
you running that wire along the outside?
I'll run it, Mike.
Do you want me to make a hole for you into the cab?
And there we are. Cab access acquired. Is that actually into the cab?
Yep. There you go. Now you have a hole into the cab.
Can you see the cab?
Yep.
Oh, I can just see his finger.
How big do you reckon the flames will be, Elliot?
No idea. No idea. We didn't really know what to expect with the Volvo.
No, but that went quite well. Have we got enough fuel to let it get hot and then proceed to do this with it?
Probably not. We'll have a go anyway.
Forward planning.
Do you want to press it? It'll warm up.
Pop, 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 pop.
I probably ran out of fuel to get there. Spray some more in the alternator, Jacob. Spray some more in front of the alternator.
It's all going on.
The wipers have just come on.
It didn't kill
No,
it.
the wipers are coming on. Why are the wipers?
What is going on here, man? Oh, for fuck's sake!
Oh, he's on the Brat.
Right.
Ah.
Wait, Harry, what did you do?
I think we need the lights off to see that better.
Did it shoot? Yeah. Told you.
Did you not hear it?
I heard it, yeah.
Who was that on the phone?
That scared the living shit out of me, that did.
That's the silencer or the engine, one of the two.
Oh dear.
Probably the
Of course, it's
silencer.
got a silencer.
It's probably the silencer breaking out. I think that's what's dispersing our flame
Yeah.
most of the time. So we know it works, which is cool. Yeah, another thing. The Brat has going for it.
You happy then?
Yeah, I am happy, yeah.
Right, Elliot, you're going to play catch?
Where is
Access
it?
hole.
Oh, I thought he was in there.
Oh no, he's just walked away.
Oh, well, that's typical, isn't it?
Let me see if I can find the wire. Oh, the wire's just coming out here, look. I don't know which side you want me to pull.
Keep going a little more. Oh, that's it.
Oh, I've got the switch now.
How much is that?
It's wrapped around the pedals. There we go. Well, does it need to be held in place?
Really, it can sit there.
Something you can just pick up and do as you're driving around, isn't it?
If you pull that too hard, you will kill it.
That's the emergency kill switch. Yank it when it starts getting out of hand. If you hold on to it, when you're in a crash, you'll accidentally pull it and it'll kill the engine so you don't have a fire. That's because we're geniuses.
No, it's just because it's coincidental.
That's a reliable kill switch. That'll work every time.
Reliable feature.
I think, have fun with it. If it breaks, it breaks. Keep it.
When it breaks.
When it breaks.
Might break tonight.
Anyway, whenever it breaks, keep everything we've got. Like, just keep it, and then we'll do something with all the running gear out of it. Subaru, 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 Subaru.
It's supposed to be fiery in here. Oh, the bop and bang thing's right above my head.
It's alright, no more pop and bang.
No more pop and bang. Is that me, or is it still making grinding noises?
It's still making.
I think the trim's hanging off. It might be that.
What trim?
What doing? I've got it. I'll just put it in the. I think I missed.
Slowly.
Okay. Who does he think you are? Like you're gonna trash it or go quickly?
That's just the arches rubbing.
Yeah, that is just the arches. It is a lot better.
He's done it. It's just the arches.
He's done it though. It's like Monty knew what he was doing.
That's weight, that's ton. That's perfect. Exactly. Well done, Monty.
This is the bit where it gets dark.
Monty! Have you driven this? Since you've done the things? Mate, it's 10 times better. It's just the arches rub, that's literally it. Which, like, whatever, who cares? Low.
Oh, you can?
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
We just ain't got 2-wheel drive, that's all we ain't got. We've got 3-wheel drive!
3 wheels! That doesn't sound too good. Mind you, you've ranked it up here before.
So it's only the arches rubbing, it's not actually the car.
Yeah. Surely it won't snap in half, because you have done this a bit more violently before. Well, he's doing it quite well, I'd say.
Mate, this thing's perfect. I'm buying another Brat.
Yep, I'm buying another
Brakes! Brakes are not good.
Do we need brakes?
No, I'll wait for Monty and see what he has. Monty, you don't believe the difference that's made. This is like a new car. I mean, it's not a new car, but it is. I was just thinking.
That is welded as well.
Is it?
Yeah, you can see it spinning.
Mate, it's dry. Honestly, I can't tell you how nice it is. It's just so nice. Like, it still rubs, but like, it's 10 times better.
Yeah, just remember, your handbrake's in the front if you need it.
Yeah. This is like, so better. I'm trying to be gentle because we don't want to wreck it, do we? No, yeah, stopping isn't a strong point of this vehicle, I'll admit.
We're just sliding down.
Yeah.
Mind you, there's not a lot to grip on to stop, is there? It's just mud. Brat's going a bigger rut. Oh.
Mate, 10 times a car. Yeah.
Mud's coming in.
It's not good.
I'm shutting the window, mud's coming in.
We could park it where it was for a minute and sort it in the daylight. It starts now, doesn't it?
It'll all be solid, won't it?
Yeah.
So we sort of either want it to frost over or wait till spring when it's dry. If we have a dry spring.
You would have got up.
Well, I didn't want to push it too hard though, Monty, because
He was, throttling quite heavily.
You feel it flexing at all? Yeah. It's in the right place.
It looks a little bit out of place in the wheel arch.
Look, if it's in the wheel arch, it's in the right place.
Okay.
That's a good tip.
I actually want to see if it can go backwards if it moves forwards.
Probably does. We'll have a go.
But the fact is, it's
Three-wheel drive Brat, boys!
It is, yeah, we've done it. It's a three-wheel drive Brat.
boys! Look at all that Brat that's being swept up. That's half the Brat right there.